How to invoke the strength of Goddess Durga in your life. Introduction. Goddess Durga, revered in Hinduism, symbolizes the divine feminine energy and embodies the essence of strength, courage, and devotion. Her multifaceted nature is celebrated during festivals like Navratri, which spans 9 nights dedicated to her various forms. Key aspects of the Hindu goddess Durga include cultural significance, represents the triumph of good over evil through her victorious battles. Empowerment, invoking the strength of the goddess Durga empowers individuals to confront challenges head-on. Resilience and growth, her teachings inspire personal growth and spiritual awakening. Embracing the qualities of Goddess Durga can illuminate one's path towards empowerment, encouraging individuals to tap into their true potential. Through rituals, prayers, and community engagement, worshippers connect deeply with her essence, fostering a sense of strength that transcends everyday struggles. Explore the journey of invoking Goddess Durga's strength and witness how her divine presence can transform your life. Understanding the divine feminine energy. Who is Goddess Durga? Goddess Durga, often revered as Mahadevi, embodies the essence of Shakti, the divine feminine energy in Hinduism. This powerful force represents not just strength but also creativity, nurturing, and protection. As a manifestation of Shakti, Goddess Durga symbolizes the ability to overcome obstacles and embody resilience. The concept of Shakti. In Hindu philosophy, Shakti is regarded as the dynamic energy that drives the universe. It is the source of all creation, representing both the fierce and nurturing aspects of femininity. Goddess Durga encapsulates this duality. The great Goddess Durga, fierce protector, she battles against evil forces, showcasing her power to protect worshippers from harm. Nurturing mother. As a mother goddess, she fosters love, compassion, and balance in family life and community. Relevance in modern spiritual practices. The attributes of Goddess Durga echo through spiritual practices today. Women and men alike seek her blessings for empowerment and courage in daily challenges. Her teachings resonate in contemporary society's quest for Devi energy, an awakening to personal strength and communal harmony. Celebrating femininity, festivals dedicated to her allow individuals to connect with their own strengths while fostering community ties. Empowerment rituals. Engaging in rituals can help individuals channel Durga's qualities into their lives, promoting resilience amid adversity. By comprehending these aspects of Goddess Durga, individuals can draw inspiration from her divine presence, enriching their spiritual journeys while embracing their inherent strengths. The story of Durga and Mahishasura, the victory of good over evil. The story of the great Goddess Durga showcases her triumph over evil. Goddess Durga's victory over the demon Mahishasura is an important part of Hindu mythology. It teaches us about the triumph of good over evil and the power of strength and bravery. The characters. In this tale, we have 2 main characters. Mahishasura, he is a buffalo demon who represents chaos, ignorance, and evil. His goal is to conquer the heavens and defeat the gods. Goddess Durga, she is a powerful goddess created by the combined energies of all the gods to fight against Mahishasura. Durga embodies strength and courage. The battle. When Mahishasura's threat became too great for the gods to handle, they decided to take action. They united their powers and created Goddess Durga, who would be strong enough to defeat him. In a fierce battle, Durga confronted Mahishasura on the battlefield. With her unwavering determination and exceptional skills as a demon slayer, she fought bravely against his deceptive abilities. This battle was not just physical, it symbolized the ongoing conflict between good and evil. Each blow from Durga represented the victory of light over darkness, showcasing her indomitable spirit. Lessons from the story. This mythological epic teaches us several important lessons. Good vs. evil. Durga's victory reminds us that evil can be defeated through bravery and perseverance. Empowerment. Her fight against Mahishasura encourages individuals to confront their own personal struggles, whether it's fear, doubt, or hardship. Collective strength. The unity among divine forces highlights the significance of working together to overcome obstacles. By learning from this story, we can find inspiration in our own lives. It encourages us to embrace our inner strength and avoid negativity. By channeling the spirit of Durga, we can develop resilience and face life's challenges with grace and determination. Celebrating the divine feminine. Festivals dedicated to Goddess Durga. Embracing the 9 forms of Navadurga during Navratri. Navratri, a vibrant festival celebrated across India, honors the divine feminine energy embodied by Goddess Durga. This 9-night celebration emphasizes spiritual growth, resilience, and the power of femininity through the worship of her 9 forms known as Navadurga. Each form represents unique qualities that foster personal empowerment and inspire worshippers. 9 avatars of Goddess Durga. The 9 forms of Navadurga and their significance. Shailaputri symbolizes stability and strength, represents the root of all creation and is worshipped for grounding energy. Brahmacharini embodies devotion and self-discipline, encourages spiritual growth through dedication and surrender to divine will. Chandraghanta represents bravery and courage. Her presence instills fearlessness in facing life's adversities. Kushmanda signifies creativity and abundance. Known for her nurturing qualities, she blesses worshippers with health and prosperity. Skandamata, the nurturing mother figure, symbolizes unconditional love and protection, especially for children. Katyayani represents strength and valor, encourages individuals to summon their inner warrior to overcome challenges. Kalaratri, the protector against negativity. Her fierce form wards off evil influences, providing safety and security. Mahagauri embodies purity and serenity, inspires disciples to seek inner peace while cleansing away impurities from life. Siddhidatri represents fulfillment and accomplishment, assists in achieving desires and aspirations through her blessings. Each day during Navratri is dedicated to one of these forms, allowing worshippers to connect deeply with their attributes through rituals such as prayers, offerings, and fasting.